Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on Smart Wallet application. If you want to use a Smart Wallet app in your preferred language, making managing payments, cards and transactions much easier, then follow through the steps. Launch open the Smart Wallet app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the wallet page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner, and from the settings menu, click on language. On the next page, select your preferred language from the list provided. After making a selection, click on submit and you'll then be able to change your display language according to your selection. The app reloads and all the menu and options should now appear in the selected language. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.